Hey everyone, it's Elisa with XYZ Wellness, and I'm here to share day 3 of the 12 days of winter wellness with you. So, a few other yoga health coaches and I got together and we thought it would be fun to share some of our favorite tips for staying healthy and vibrant during the holidays. And so, the tip that I wanted to share with you today is really something super simple, but it's something that we can't forget about, and it's really just coming to the breath. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, if you're kind of stressed, if you're, going off in all different kinds of directions, trying to do all the things, you're trying to wrap the presents, cook the meals, figure out the menu, and you're just feeling stressed and, feeling, just like you need a break. The perfect thing to do is to come to the breath. So what you can do, and it's really super simple, and you might want to just set an alarm on your phone for a minute or maybe 2 minutes, and then really just notice. So I invite you wherever you are to maybe just, get comfortable. So that might be seated on the floor, or you could even lie down, or you might be comfortable standing up. But however you are, make sure the spine is nice and long. And, maybe place one hand on the belly and one hand on the chest. And you might allow your eyes to soften towards the ground, or if it feels okay, you can let your eyes close completely. And then just arrive here in this moment. Begin to notice. Noticing the breath as you breathe in and breathe out. Not needing it to be any particular way. And then as you continue to notice, maybe as you breathe in through the nose, you might notice the belly and the chest expand. And then as you breathe out, you might notice that contraction. So breathing in, expanding through the belly and then the chest, and then breathing out, emptying the chest, the ribs, and then the belly. And just allowing the breath to flow like that, one after the other. Every time you exhale, emptying fully and completely. And then every time you inhale, creating space for the body, space in the mind, space for the heart. And then every time again that you come back to that exhale, really letting go of anything that no longer serves you. Letting go of expectations and judgments. Letting go of competition. Letting go of any of those limiting thoughts that might be holding you back. And just continuing to allow the breath to flow one after the other, just like waves coming to the shore. And if you wanted to, you could stay here much longer. Or you can bring your palms to your lap, bow the chin towards the heart, and just gently fluttering your eyes open. And slowly lifting your chin parallel to the floor. So I hope you enjoyed that brief little moment to pause and check in. And know that you have that tool, you have the breath anytime you need it. So anytime that you're feeling kind of like those shoulders crunching up around your ears, and you're feeling maybe that furrow in your brow, and you're just, I need to breathe. And just take that moment. Again, set that alarm on your phone, and just pay attention to the breath. And thank you so much for sharing this time with me today. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.